Polokwane yenzani? They lose the ball in the middle. Angithi sharp counter attack. Mfana kithi Matthews mfana kithi ngathi utlo repeat happy this season. Mara Matthews. I don't get it, bafethu. There's 3 Sundowns players lapha ekhoneni. You send 2. PSL team. You don't know ukuthi if there's 3 players there, you send 3. Yo. To the left. Simple. Mara bafethu bo Polokwane City mara. Bafethu. Cross. Should have scored there. Hit the target. Eh? It is 3 against 2, but we fail. We don't even hit a target. Mara bafethu. Sanibonani. Welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Polokwane City 2. Good result for Sundowns, right? But it was a tough match for one in terms of breaking down the Polokwane City. Then again, silly mistakes at the back. They couldn't break down the Polokwane City, but they had chances to stretch the lead in the first half. It's funny as when you listen to other coaches, they tell you we played well, right? Remember, it's about attacking and defending, right? You defend for 80 minutes, then you attack for 10 minutes. Basically, you played well. Okay, let's pull it up. Now let's start. The first minute of the game, kick off. I'm going to show you how both teams were structured. Sundowns with their usual 4-2-3-1. Sharp. But in this game, remember, the formation here change when we have the ball and when we don't have the ball. When we attack, and then when we defend, formation here change for most teams. Polokwane City with their 4-4-2 or their 4-4-1-1. Sharp. Sundowns had 3 at the back, 3 set defense. Now in this game, they didn't give Umudau the room to attack. Okay, sharp. So now you had their double pivot, so they would change. Umukwena, no Allende, they would change. Now and then one of them will just go forward. But it's a double pivot. Then you have Upenet Mukwena, one of my favorite players now. Upenet Mukwena as a half 10 that side. Then you have Matthews this side, Ufan Vick there. But what I want you to see now, a problem with Polokwane City, Dlaliman Maki, Matmanji is Dlali Township football. Space here, he left back Sundowns has pushed up. Ufa Onjuban, Upasedin has pushed up. He is this side. He is this side. This is Upasedin, but there is space here. So now, the right wing, Polokwane City, was told ukuthi amen make Upasedin. Okay, sharp. Now I'm just showing you how both of them they were structured. Just showing you how of them. This is Ufan Vick. Now, because now the right winger is not here, we have to pick zonal marking. Man marking. Because the right back has to be no worry. Must I press here? Must I stay there? Must I press here? Must I stay there? Okay, sharp. I was just showing you how both teams were structured. Another clip is structure. Now, remember in the previous clip, you had Upasedin moving wide there to Itash line. Now, Sundowns will always change. Will always find their left back inverting. Sometimes goes over Umutibala. Sharp. Now, this is the left back Sailor. Sharp. Look. Space. Takes a shot. Okay. We regroup. again, because you Twitter men marking man, ay man, Mapulukwane City. Now this guy is where he's now back into where he's supposed to be. Yeah, where he's supposed to be. But Dilena, we need to close down the space. Most teams when they have a set a style of play, angeke ba change. Right? Sundowns will change. Sometimes they will take their left back side in, sometimes inverting in a parat. Decision making. Polokwane yenzani, they lose the ball in the middle. Nangit sharp counter attack. Mfana ngithi Matthews mfana ngithi ngathi utlo repeata happy this season. Ay mara Matthews mfana ngithi. This is not a bad idea, guys. It's not a bad idea. Mara, this is a difficult option that you are taking. Why ufuna ukuthatha i-option enzima? Yeah? It's not a bad idea, guys. But this is it's a better option. Pass the man there, pass this guy there. Or when yourself, right? And if you are right-footed, they are going there. When go to your right and shoot. Yeah. Either you wanna pass there or you shoot. But the decision low are ufuna pass ibola la. Hey, inzima mfana ngithi, because you have to the weight of the pass, nan. There's a keeper already. Yabo, look where the keeper is. It's a difficult pass to make mfana ngithi. Sundowns and set pieces. Ngathi lesifo sabo sibuyile. Last season they did well, right? They conceded 3 goals. Mikael Karoso Magashu. They conceded 3 goals last season from set pieces. Now, this is the corner before the goal. You can just see here, this guy is all alone. No one is focusing on this man. First corner, no one is focusing again on this guy that makes the run to the first post. Yeah, you can't be a Koneni or in the box, right? The ball Lizoza, but you thinking Lizoza go straight. No, you have to watch. Again, there, the man, you watch, free. Everyone is focusing there. Ubani uthe ibhola lizoza la. Suka. Flick. Ta. Phakathi. Inside. When you have a man in the box, a trap ibhola kayi-2 bese yashaya. Just know ukuthi it's bad defending. It's bad defending. Yeah. If you look at Umukwena, right? Iko la Umukwena. Ultrepile, and then there was a player here. Wasuyam tribula, wasuya shy, right? There was pressure. Here, maraba fetu mara. Trap. Parat. Inside. Goalless Sundowns. I always say, if it's a corner kick, when they send one, kuba 2, we send 2. You don't send 1 player. Mara Jehovah. Cross. Yadliwa logo. Phakathi. Inside. Mara, why are we defending? We are under 12. Yeah? PSL teams, you don't know what you send 2. If they send 1, you send 2. Yeah? Look at these 2 guys. It's 2 against 1. Bafethu. High school things. Sugar. High school things. Even Nala. Yeah? They take a short corner, but we are picking no one. Yeah? Look at these guys here. Yeah? He peels off. Sugar. Another corner. I don't get it, Buffett. There's 3 Sundowns players la Pekonin. You send 2. PSL team. You don't know what if there's 3 players there, you send 3. Yo. hayi ngidlalwa ngathi la. Look how simple. Look how simple this is. Allende knows ukuthi he makes this run. The decoy cross. Hey, lwena Johannes lwena mfana kithi. Bafethu, you can't uma kuyikhona kick. If they send 2 players bese nihambisa 1. They send 3 nihambisa 2. Mara bafethu PSL goal number 2 Sundowns. Mara tseba dintho tse ding bafethu. Look at the keep. Ukhahlela ibhola le phezulu. Mara bafethu. We are dlala challenge. As a keeper ukhahlela ibhola le phezulu emoyeni le instead of ukuthi uphasa ama player wakho. Now look at the space between these guys here nalaba. Look back by 3 abe Sundowns. Bafethu. Okay, sharp. Now, first mistake, what happened? Second mistake, mfana kithi. Let me take it back. 3 mistakes here. The first one, goalkeeper ukhahlela ibhola phezulu. Angithi. The second mistake, ibhola liyeza mfana kithi. What are you doing? Why ungahate ibhola? Ufuna ukudaka. For ini. Now, watch the keeper. He slips. Keeper naye akayi kwa. You can't as a keeper when already saw yaphuma where you haven't seen ibhola lilenda. Ibhola likabhambi. Alikadluli anyone when already saw yabhrika. Phakathi inside. Lana. Ezinye izinto ungagcina sewucabanga ukuthi bathengiwe labantu laba. Izinto eziso. Pulukwane City yake yadlala i-final, cup final. When Upasedin was inverting into the middle, there were runs that he was making, and the Sundowns should have scored, right? But I'm gonna show you this first clip first, right? Mr. Miyake. Now, this is Upasedin, Chap makes the run into the space. Unlucky there, will push on board. Let me show you the chance Yagamukwe. Nakia. Ball on the right hand side. Comes to the left. Simple. Mara bafethu bopulukwane City mara. Cross. Should have scored there. Hit the target. Mara bopulukwane City mara bafethu. Izinto ezisimple kanje. You go with the run. Angithi bommakile. Target mfana kithi la ushaya i-target siyekhoneni. Second half. Okay guys, I only have 2 clips to show you, right? Second half, even extra time, there wasn't a lot of things esingakhuluma ngazo. But now what Pulukwane City did second half, they started well, pressing Sundowns high up. But at the same time, ngathi Sundowns, they were caught by surprise because there were moments where bebakhona ukubavula, and then mabafika in the final third Pulukwane City abazi ukuthi bayenzeni, right? But let's look at the goal now. A free kick le. So now if ila yethu ila, right, yithi esila, we 100% sure ukuthi angeke bakore ngekhanda la. So it means we have to win the first ball and the second ball, especially the first ball, because if we win the first ball, it means sizocleara ibhola. Angithi sharp. Now cross, we don't win the first ball, we don't win the second ball. Phakathi inside. So simple, because we don't win the first ball. This is the guy that scores the goal. Angithi bafethu umakile or wenzeni u-orange uyaguide. What are you doing? Why ungamaki umuntu wakho? Angithi i-free kick, he goes there when you're still usafuna ukubamba line back. Phakathi inside. Simple. If you don't win the first ball bafethu, you have to win the second ball. Mara in this case, we have to win the first ball. Free kick, we win the ball, clear, then we regroup. Final clip bese ngiyayivala. when I talk about decision making PSL, you know, Facebook or Twitter, people think I'm crazy. I don't understand. People, mina ngazi ukuthi sometimes abantu mele ubabonise kanjani ukuthi our decision making is poor. Yeah? It is 3 against 2, but we fail. We don't even hit a target. Mara bafethu. Aye. 3 against 2. The first mistake here. Pass the ball. Mnikeza ibhola. If you give him the ball, then uzokhona ukumrounda. Yeah? If you give him the ball, because lo muntu lo uphambi kwakho, now it means now he needs to watch the line. Right? Instead of ukuthi wena umnikeza ibhola and then bese uyamrounda. Because angeke kube yiwona, angeke a charge la. Right? He's gonna wait for you umrounde. It's 3 against 2. But now you don't pass him the ball, you still run with the ball. Now mfana kithi, I mean I would find both of them. There's no way you would now uyaloku uyagijima. You don't see the man. Why do you want to be in line? I don't get players that want to be in line with the defenders. Kanjani? Yeah? Now you keep on pushing the ball, you bega nale pass le. Okay, let's say this guy was onside. Ne? He was not offside. Because Ulanis Menuchache offside. Let's say this guy was onside. What kind of a pass is that? Sugar. What kind of a pass is that? Yeah? Now Sundowns, they take the ball, they go and score. If you go back to Imarumu Galant against the Sundowns, Loftus, same thing, where they had a chance to go and score. They don't take that chance. Sundowns, they take the ball, they go and punish us. Yeah? Maraba Fedu. 1, 2. Stand inside. Pagat inside. All because we didn't even shoot, guys. It's 3 against 2. Asishayanga nokushaya emaparini. At least if isishayile samisa. But asishayanga nokushaya. Mabaqedile bathatha ibhola bona bayenza bayahamba boyokora. Mara bafethe ezinye izinto. Sometimes uyazibuza ukuthi professional players kanjani. It's simple basic. Thank you for watching bafethu. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Like I always say, ungathengisi fish. Share this video with other kids. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.